Oh, that's nasty.
This is Derek. He's making fart noises with his back on the floor, and it's creeping the baby out.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Ew.
Derek! Derek! What's Daddy doing? Ew, is Daddy pooping himself?
Oh my God. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
You know, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. He's like, what the fuck are you doing?
You're doing good, honey. And you're gonna get your look. You're gonna get your look. Yummy.
Ew. And he's like, what the fuck was that, Dad? What is Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? He's like, oh, what the hell? Secret mole. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. See, it's the top from my bottle, Daddy.
A duck. I'll pop your toes. Yeah, like that.
Oh, don't make him cry. He's gonna throw shit at you, Dad.
That was his first toe cracking, by the way.
Don't crack his toes. It's not nice.
Yeah, it is. It feels great.
Yeah, to us, but not to him.
Pop. 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 Look at the little feeties. I think these ones need tickle. Uh-oh. 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 Someone's getting tickled. Somebody's getting tickled. Uh-oh. Oh, I know somebody's kneecaps are ticklish, too. Somebody's kneecaps are ticklish. Because like right now, Dad, I'm just involved with this cat.
What are you doing? Derek? Put the lid in the bowl? Eat some corn. Corn. Uh-oh. You alright?
You're learning, buddy. He learns up.
You just swallowed that the wrong way, buddy. Oh, look at the big boy with the sippy cup.
Oh, juicy juice, juice, juicy juice, juice, juicy juice, 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 juicy juice, juice, juicy juice, juice.
Hey, Dad, come on, I'm trying to drink. Tell him.
Corn. Corn.
Aren't you a cutie?
I'm gonna go sit in front of the fan. I'm sweating my balls off.